Hello and welcome to today's video on news-based trading in the stock market. In today's fast-paced world, having up-to-date information about the stock market is essential for making informed investment decisions. The news and events that are unfolding around us have a significant impact on the stock prices, and as a trader, it's essential to stay updated. In this video, we'll be discussing how news-based trading can help you make better investment decisions, and we'll take a look at some interesting examples from the Indian stock market. Segment 1: Understanding news-based trading. News-based trading is a strategy where traders and investors use real-time news and events to make investment decisions. It is a fast-paced and dynamic form of trading that involves making quick decisions based on the latest news and developments in the market. Segment 2: The importance of news-based trading. News-based trading is important for a number of reasons. Firstly, it helps you stay ahead of the market. If you are aware of the latest news and events, you can quickly assess the impact they may have on the stock prices and make an informed decision. Secondly, it helps you make quick and profitable trades. With the right information, you can take advantage of short-term price movements and capitalize on the volatility in the market. Segment 3: Examples of news-based trading in the Indian stock market. Let's take a look at some interesting examples of news-based trading in the Indian stock market. Budget announcements. Every year, the Indian government presents its budget, and this has a significant impact on the stock market. For example, in 2021, the Indian government announced several measures to support the agriculture sector, and this led to a surge in the prices of agriculture-related stocks. Company announcements. Companies also make important announcements that can impact the stock market. For example, in 2021, Reliance Industries announced its entry into the digital space, and this led to a significant rise in the prices of its stock. Global events. Global events such as the US-China trade war or the COVID-19 pandemic can also impact the Indian stock market. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the stock prices of healthcare companies in India rose significantly as investors looked for safe haven investments. Segment 4: Conclusion. In conclusion, news-based trading is an essential strategy for traders and investors who want to stay ahead of the market. By staying updated with the latest news and events, you can quickly assess the impact they may have on the stock prices and make informed investment decisions. With the right information, you can take advantage of short-term price movements and capitalize on the volatility in the market. Thank you for watching this video on news-based trading in the stock market. If you haven't already checked out our video on breakout trading, please check the link in the I button. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.